Hi friends, welcome to Tech with VI. This is the part 3 of learning HTML. In previous video, I have discussed how to download and install VS Code. In this video, I will discuss about VS Code. In VS Code, we will learn today how to create profile and how to create one folder and how to open that folder in VS Code. And today we will install some extensions. Without much ado, let's get into the video. So first we will discuss about how to create profile by using NVDA. NVDA is very accessible for VS Code. First I am opening VS Code.
Folder view list. Ops Studio 6 of V. Visual Studio Code 8 of 8.
I am opening VS Code.
Vic document. Application. Main landmark. Editor group 1 left.
Friends, VS Code has opened. To create profile, we have to go to NVDA menu first by pressing Insert plus N. I am pressing Insert N.
NVDA menu.
Navigate by pressing up and down key.
Preferences submenu P.
And go to profile.
Tools submenu T. Help submenu H. Configuration profiles C.
Okay, here I am getting configuration profile. Here press the enter.
Configuration profiles dialog. List left parent. Normal configuration.
Press the tab key here.
New button Alt plus N.
And hit the enter on new button.
New profile dialog. Profile name : edit blank.
Friends, here you give any name. Here I am giving one name called web development.
E B web D E V E L O P M E N T.
After that again press tab.
Use this profile for grouping manual.
Use this profile for. Here press down arrow key.
Current application left parent, code right parent, radio button checked.
Okay, profile has been created. Again press tab.
OK button.
And hit on OK.
Visual Studio Code document, application, main landmark, editor group 1 left parent, empty right parent, section.
Friends, I have created the profile. Now I am going to install some extensions. To run our code, HTML code, we want two extensions. First one is live server and second one is boilerplate. So let's discuss about these two extensions. Live server will help us to run our code. And second one is boilerplate. Boilerplate is very helpful extensions in VS Code. By using boilerplate, we can generate our entire HTML code. In part 1, I have discussed entire code I have written manually. But in boilerplate, we don't write any code. Automatically, boilerplate will generate the HTML basic syntax. For that, we want boilerplate. So first we will install live server. After installing live server, I will install boilerplate. To install extensions, we have to use one shortcut key command called Ctrl-Shift-X. By pressing Ctrl-Shift-X, we will go to search bar. There we have to type extension names. In VS Code, we have various types of extensions for all the programming languages. For instance, C, C++, Python, Java. For any programming language, you may do code. For that, you have to install some extensions. I am installing first live server. I am pressing here Ctrl-Shift-X.
Search extensions in Marketplace Editor as autocomplete multi-line blank. No extensions found. No extensions found.
Friends, here I don't have any extensions. First I am installing live server. Here I am typing live server.
76,004 extensions. L I V E live space 82 S E 449 V E 20 R server space 16.
After typing, press enter key and navigate by pressing tab key.
Toolbar clear extension search results extensions list.
Here there are many extensions. Press navigate by pressing up and down key.
Level 1 live server, 5.7.9, publisher with day, launch a development local server with live reload feature for static and dynamic pages, rated 4.38 out of 5 stars by 505 users, 1 of 1634.
Friends, I am installing this extension. Here I am pressing tab.
Toolbar install button.
Here I have got the button install. Here I am pressing enter. Install will start.
Installing extension live server started. An editor is now open with more details on this extension. Visual Studio Code document application. Warning: do you trust the publisher? Read with date question. Dialog warning: do you trust the publisher? Read with date question. The extension live server is public. Progress.
Here we have to accept the permission. Here I am pressing tab letter key.
Extension learn more button. Trust publisher and install button.
Here press the space. Press
progress.
Publisher and install button.
Space extension live server dash Visual Studio Code document. Progress.
It is installing now.
Progress. 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 Progress.
Friends, sometime it will take
Installing
time.
extension live server is completed. Info colon left right.
Okay friends, it has completed now. I am going to install second extension called boilerplate.
Application live server HTTP. Scroll to status main landmark document license link marketplace link. Click up marketplace toolbar extension details.
Here I am pressing again Ctrl Shift X.
Search extensions in marketplace.
First I am clearing this search.
Toolbar clear extension search results button space search extensions in extensions actions toolbar refresh button progress search extensions in marketplace.
Here I am typing boilerplate.
BOILER boiler space PL300 plate space 1770
and I am pressing enter. And I am navigating by pressing tab key.
Toolbar clear extensions list.
Here I am pressing up and down key.
Boiler comma 0.0.2 comma publisher Maryland Eisenhower comma.
Here also I am doing same thing. I am pressing tab again.
Toolbar install button.
And I am installing this extension.
Installing extension boiler started. An editor is now open with more details on this extension. Extension colon live server dash Visual Studio Code document application warning. Do you trust the publisher? Quote Maryland.
Friends, trust the publisher here.
Extension learn more button. Trust publisher and install button. Progress space extension colon boiler dash Visual Studio Code document. Progress. Installing extension boiler is completed.
Friends, we have installed boilerplate and live server extension. Now I am going to create one folder in my desktop. I am going to desktop.
Desktop.
Here I am creating one folder by pressing Ctrl Shift N. This is the shortcut key to create any folder.
Edit selected new blank selection remove.
Here I am giving any name. You may give any name also. I am giving web dev.
WEB web space DEV web dev 9 of 9.
Friends, folder has been created. If we want to open any folder in VS Code,
JAWS 20.
we have to focus on that folder.
web dev 9 of 9.
And press the right click or application menu by pressing Shift F10 key. I am pressing here.
Context menu.
And friends, press I letter key. We will get the option called Open with Code I. I have explained this option in previous video also. While we installing VS Code, if you made any mistake, of course we won't get that option. Here I am pressing I letter key.
I open with code I.
Here I am pressing enter.
Desktop list web dev 9 of 9. Visual Studio document. Application main landmark editor group 1 left info. Do you trust the authors of the files in this folder? Question dialog info. Do you trust the authors of the
Friends, here give the access.
no comma I don't tick T trust the author R docs trust the author yes comma I trust the authors button.
Press the space bar here.
Space main landmark editor group 1 left parent empty right.
Friends, this folder has opened in VS Code. Never open VS Code directly when you wanna open any file. Now I am going to generate one file by pressing Ctrl plus N.
Untitled -1 editor as autocomplete multi-line blank.
Friends, in Notepad I have written code manually. Here I don't want to written any code manually. Here just if I press one shortcut key, boilerplate will generate. Before doing that, I am saving this file by pressing Ctrl S.
Unavailable. Save as dialog. File name colon.
Here I am giving name called index.html.
I select N D E X.
And here we no need to type any dot extension in VS Code. Simply I am pressing tab.
Save as type colon combo box plain text left parent star dot T.
And here I am pressing H letter key until I get the HTML.
H handlebars H HLSL H HTML left parent star dot HTML semi star dot HTML semi star dot SHTML semi star dot XHTML semi.
Okay friends, I got the extension of HTML. Let's see the name first.
File name colon combo box collapsed edit alt plus N selected index.html.
I am going to again desktop.
Items. Tree view level 2 desktop collapsed 1 of 1. Items view list web dev not selected 1 of 1.
I am selecting this folder by pressing spacebar.
Space selected.
I am going to open this folder by pressing enter key. Okay, this folder has been opened. To save this file, I am pressing here Alt S.
Unknown.
Friends, while after saving the file, we have some issues, accessibility issues in VS Code. To stop that issues, we have to close this folder again, VS Code,
Desktop lit.
and open this folder again.
W. JAWS 2025 W. Web Dev 9 of 9. Context menu. I. Open with code I. Desktop list. Web Dev 9 of 9. Vid document. Applet. Blank.
Okay friends, this file has also opened. To insert the boilerplate, we have to use the shortcut key command called shift plus 1, or we can say this exclamation mark also. Here I am pressing exclamation mark.
Bang. Suggest list. Level 1 bang comma property. Index.html list title greater document.
Okay friends, I have generated the boilerplate. Let's see here. I am pressing control home.
Less bang doc type HTML greater.
This code I have written in previous videos.
Less HTML lang equals quote end quote greater. Less head greater. Less meta charset equals quote UTF dash 8 quote greater. Less meta name equals quote viewport quote content equals quote width equals device dash width comma and less title greater document less slash title greater.
Friends, I am changing the title here.
Less title greater document.
I am selecting this document.
Document selected.
And here I am giving one title name called this is page.
THISS space IS suggest space index PA suggest lit GE.
Again I am pressing up and down key.
Less slash head greater. Less body greater. Blank. Less slash body greater. Less slash HTML greater.
Friends, whenever we are doing coding in HTML, for that we have to write this entire HTML boilerplate. For that we want this boilerplate extension. In Notepad and all text editors, we have to do this manually, but here we don't want to do manually this. Here I am typing some text called
less blank.
hello world.
HELLNO space WO index.RLD.
Okay friends, here I have typed hello world. Let's run this code. Before running, we have to save by pressing Ctrl S.
RLD.
To run the code, we have to press right click
Menu.
and navigate by pressing up and down key. We'll get the option called open with live server.
Find all references. Peek sub menu 3. Go to references. Go to define command palette. Stop live server Alt plus LO plus C14.
Okay, this is the stop live server and it is announcing shortcut key also. Let's see again.
Command palette. Stop live server Alt plus LO plus C14 of 15.
To stop the server, we have to press Alt L plus Alt C. Press again up and down.
Open with live server Alt plus LO plus O13 of 15.
To run the code, we have to use the shortcut key command called Alt L plus Alt O. I am pressing enter here. Hello world, we will get the output.
Index.html editor as autocomplete multi-line hello world info colon server is started at port colon 55. This is page dash Google Chrome window. This is page hello world. Hello world. Hello world.
Friends, live server is the one of the best extension in VS Code. In live server, we don't refresh our page again and again. But in Google Chrome, we have to refresh our page again and again. What output we are getting new output. For that, we have to refresh the page again and again. But here, we don't want to do that. Let's see the output here. Hello world.
Hello world.
And let's see the title. How to check title I have told you by pressing insert T.
This is page dash Google Chrome.
Again, if you want to go to VS Code, we have to press Alt plus Tab.
Index.html index. Less body greater. Hello world.
Friends, here I have written hello world. I am writing another line.
Line feet. Hello blank.
Here I am writing welcome to web development.
ELSOME Combs O index dot space double E level 1 list B B space D E V E L index O P F E N T.
Okay friends, I have written. Let's save this
Augment.
and let's run this code in live server.
This is page dash Google Chrome window. This is page hello world welcome to web development. Hello world welcome to web development.
Friends, here what happening here? 2 lines I am getting in 1 line. Let's see.
Hello world welcome to web development.
If we want to get these lines line by line, for that we have to use less br greater. Br tag we have to use to get add next line. Let's do this.
Index.
If I want to see welcome to web development in next line, for that we have to use less br tag. We have to use this tag wherever. Here I am navigating.
Hello world.
Here I am pressing end key.
Line feed.
Here I am typing less, br greater.
Less suggest list slash body B. R is greater index.html editor as op.
Let's run this code.
This is page that. Hello world. Welcome to web development.
Now I got the line welcome to web development in next line.
Hello world. Welcome to web development.
This is our hello world.
Hello world.
And this is the second line.
Welcome to web development. Index.h index.
Okay friends, in this video I have discussed about how to create profile and how to open the folder in VS Code and how to install extensions. I have installed 2 extensions in VS Code. That extensions are, one is boilerplate, another one is live server. In all the videos I am going to use VS Code. In this if you have understood this video, please like, share and do subscribe to my channel. In upcoming video I will discuss about how to do formatting in HTML. Till then, keep learning and keep coding.